Do you want faster weapon swapping in Fortnite? Here's a quick and safe way to bind your mouse wheel for seamless weapon cycling. First, you have to open Fortnite and click the gear icon to access the settings menu. Then you're going to head to the keyboard and mouse or input tab in the settings. Then find slot up and slot down. Scroll through the key bindings and locate the controls labeled slot up and slot down. These are for moving between your weapon slots. Step 4. Set mouse wheel up for slot up. Click on slot up, then roll your mouse wheel upward to assign that as your shortcut. For step 5, set mouse wheel down for slot down. Click on slot down, then scroll your mouse wheel downward to bind that action. Step 6, save your changes. Confirm and apply the settings at the bottom of the menu to lock in your new controls. Then finally, test it in-game. Jump into a match or creative mode and try scrolling your mouse wheel. You should be able to cycle through weapons easily and quickly. Final note, this guide only uses built-in Fortnite settings. No third-party tools or cheats involved. It's completely safe, legal, and follows both Epic Games rules and YouTube's content policies. Setting your mouse wheel for quick switching keeps your hands ready for combat and can give you an edge in fast fights. And that would be all for today's quick tutorial. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.